This ERA Parrish Realty Legacy Group property video is presented by Wrenn. Beautiful all-brick ranch sitting on a beautifully landscaped .93 air conditioner lot. Lighted gazebo west/swing. Fireplace in family room. Hardwood floors throughout the house. Central vac. On main floor and attic. Oversized laundry area. Gym area over garage. May be used as a fourth bedroom. Walkup fully floored attic over 800 square feet. New HVAC upgraded to a furnish in last 2 years. Expanded septic from 3-bed to 4-bedroom system sealed crawlspace west/moisture barrier, closed vents insulated. Commercial grade dehumidifier in crawl. For more information, review the details below.